guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and share my YouTube channel for the more updates. So in this video I'm creating one 3D part. So this is 3D part. So let's start the video. So first click on mechanical design and part design. Select this plane and create a one sketch on this plane. So select the circle command. Give the diameter of this circle. Radius is 52.5. Then again select circle, turn on constructions mode and give the diameter of this circle is 135 mm. Then again select one circle and give a dimension. Radius is 7.8 mm. Again select same command and give the diameter is 10. Then select profile command and create a one line. Give the tangency of this line and this circle. Select the constraint command and click on the right and give a tangency. Again select profile command. Again draw one line and give tangency of this line to this circle. Again unwanted portion we have to remove. So click on a quick trim and unwanted portion deleted. So now our sketch is completed and click on exit. So here is open profile. So edit this sketch and see where is open profile. So click on sketch analysis and here is open profile. So we have to close this profile. So here is open profile. So close this profile, select this command, trim command and select this circle and this line. Again our profile is closed. Now our sketch is closed. Again select same command again and click on this circle and line. Again now our sketch is closed. We can see in the sketch analysis now our sketch is closed and exit the workbench and pad this portion below the directions 8 mm. Again using pattern command we are pattern this part. So we have to pattern this figure in 3 times. So select instance 3 and give angle. So 1360 120 and again select current object this and select references element because we have to pattern this portion on the top plane. So select this plane and pattern this object. Again select this face and create on a sketch. Again draw one circle, give the dimensions is 80 and here 90. So click on this. So here diameter is 90. Again select one circle command and your diameter is 70, 80 diameter, and pad this portion in upper directions. Give the dimensions is 30 mm. Again select this face and click on a sketch. Again here create a small circle. Your diameter is 20 and 15. So here is two circle. So your diameter is 15. Again exit the workbench and using pad command again then we have to create this portion. So click on this plane, select this plane and create one sketch. So here select a profile and give the dimensions. So from this line to this point is distance is 12. Again this line distance is 5. Again select a constraint and give a dimension 5 mm. From this point to this point is distance is 0 mm. Again this point to this point distance is 10. Again from this point to this point. So again project this line. So delete these lines because and select this 3D edge command and select this line and give a distance from this line to this lines is 0. Now deleting these lines because it is unnecessary and close this profile. So delete these lines. Again exit the sketch and actually I am deleting the sketch and select this plane, create a sketch and select this profile line from this distances. Select this and click on a vertical line. Vertical. these lines. Again select the sketch. Again pad the sketch. So pad the sketch up to the 32 distance. Again select this line. So click on this plane and create a sketch. Again select this line and select this line and click on a project and project this line. Again select a one line and select these distances and remove, exit the workbench and remove this profile from this body. uh, Distance is 5 mm. So here pocket and mirror this option and okay. Again then using circular pattern, circular this portion, circular, click on circular pattern and here 6, select this object and give a reference element as a top plane and our portion is circulated. Again select this circular pattern, distances, current object is now pocket and references element is top plane. And okay, so now our part is ready. So thank you for the watching video.